After 9 days remote on the Gibb, we head to Questro Station, treating ourselves to a fancy dinner and checking out everything there is to see. We meet some great pals, somehow win a quiz night, and do what is still our favourite hike of our lap. Incoming weather then shuts down parts of the Gibb and surrounds, cutting us off from a long-awaited destination, but thankfully we still have enough time to backtrack and make it to one more hike.
Thoughts?
On El Questro, it's bloody hot, that's my thought. Local safety day.
Welcome to Questro.
Hey.
How good happy hour cocktails?
We love it.
You made a mess of that.
Yeah, I know. Oh, this must be the mid-purple.
Hello.
No worries, Matt.
All good.
Don't need my short coffee, I think.
Oh, that was okay. How's that?
I'm never trusting you again. What we've already done.
Yeah.
How was that crossing?
Yeah, really good.
Oh my god. There's a section down there which apparently is the hardest of the hike, and there was another young couple and us, and we both struggled to get above that. So I don't know how...
You had to like reverse scale, like
Yeah.
back up against the wall and scale the rock with your feet.
It's like spider walk to just get there, and then turn around. You had to like... I mean, you can only get stuff at the halfway full, but had to like cart our stuff across. Thankfully there were some really kind people helping, but bloody hell, they weren't lying when they said it's a challenging hike.
Yeah.
Halfway.
Out of 10, El Questro Gorge.
10. One really challenging,
Yeah.
in a fun way.
Yeah.
But the hike itself was so pretty the whole way.
Stunning. Yeah. We were talking about how we'd said so much in the last few days or week that we'll come back and do the Gibb again. I don't know if we will ever.
I think we'll just stick
bother.
to the bitumen side and come back and do a Questro. Like you could spend a week here easily, but
Yeah.
it's stunning. Like, I mean, we'll get into El Questro later, but
Yeah.
this has been honestly probably our highlight.
And we don't love tourist hotspots, but
Yeah.
this has been
Amazing.
great.
Yeah.
So-
The only not fun part was walking through like swampy water on the way in because we didn't want to take the car through a metre plus water crossing.
Yeah, we could have done the water crossing in. People have done it, and in other years I think it's been lower, but it's a metre at the moment, and maybe even deeper in some spots. We spoke to one couple that knew of someone with a 200 series Land Cruiser who had water come in the car. What was it? Well, there was the Savannah El
the
Questro
work
Station
car.
vehicle that came through and then opened the doors up on the other side, and it was
Like
pouring out water. And
everywhere.
the girl that was driving it said she'd never take her own car through, and then
We were like sitting on the fence in Israel, and when she had said that, and then we had
Yeah.
heard all the other stories,
Oh,
we were
and
like
then it was the couple that we know with the other BT that have
Oh, yeah, they
gone
got
through
it.
recently, and
in their headlight protector.
yeah,
Or in their headlights.
water in their headlights,
Yeah.
and after the brutal bashing Maurice's just had, doesn't need any water.
Oh, it's been Maurice
Yeah,
a day.
we've got a lot of water crossings to go over Cape
Yeah.
York. But anyway, not to get off track.
We've got probably another 2 hours on the way back now. So we'll go and do that. 2 really challenging sections to get through, but lots of fun. So let's go do it.
And we've got quiz night at 5:30, so
Yeah, we're going to make it back for that.
yeah, let's
Let's
go.
go.
Huge beat.
The black thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, okay. Off you go. I don't want black bees. think he had his back up there. Ready for the bags? We are just on our way to Zebedee Springs. We got here, what time, like 6:45 now? 6:40?
Yeah, 6:30, 6:45.
Thought we were going to be early. We've been told to go early because it only opens at 7. Car park was full already at 6:40, and then the guy came to open the gate, and like as that happened, because you have to drive through from there, like another 5 cars rocked up. Matt's now chowing down his breakfast on the way there, but it's very overcast. So I think a hot thermal spring is actually going to be super welcomed.
Yeah, especially after yesterday's
10
Ks of like 4.44.
Plus another 4.5 days. So
yeah, and 5 grade track and the hamstrings need it.
Yeah, my quads be feeling it. So we're going to go rest and recover.
We finished the hot springs this morning, which we very much recommend. You were saying that there was other hot springs that
Mataranka in the NT, apparently people rate that much higher. So
which is hard to believe.
yeah, I mean, like Zebedee was busy, but it was still really nice. Like we really enjoyed it. So if Mataranka's better, then that's something to look forward to for sure.
Yeah. So anyway, we'd worked out with Scott and Cara, who we
Met at Amalia
yesterday and went to the quiz night with last night, which by the way,
we won! Woo!
Yeah, which is not normal for Shay and I.
No, it's heavily influenced by Cara and Scott, I think. But it was good. We won a $50 bar card and got a bottle of red to share and had some biltong. Absolute vibes.
We smashed it too. Cara came up with the name El Clueless, which is like a play on El Questro, which was awarded an extra point for being the best name of the quiz night. So a really good night, but we'd worked out with them, there's, I think we may have mentioned, but severe weather warning out at the moment.
Unseasonal inclement.
Thunderstorms and flash flooding and all the rest. So we've been trying to plan the next part of our trip in between sort of the end of the Gibb and Kununurra, like the bungles and stuff, what we were going to do, and we decided with them, they were coming down to the bungles today, which is Tuesday.
Yeah, and it was because what Cara had figured out is that the rain in the bungles or the flooding and stuff is only supposed to come through on the Friday, so we're like, that's actually a good way to do it. Go and spend a couple of nights at the bungles and then come back up, let the rain do its thing, and then we were going to go back in into Amalia Gorge because we still haven't had a chance to do that.
Which you're dead set on wanting to do.
Yeah, I really want to do it.
But as I was on the phone to Mum trying to update her, because both of our mums have been sort of on the phone or sending messages about this severe weather, of course, wanting to see what's going on. And I was saying, oh look, we're going to go and smash out bungles while we can and hopefully beat the weather. A ranger or a Parks and Wildlife car has gone past with a sign flashing Penalulu closed. So we've driven nearly 150 k's from El Questro down to Doon Roadhouse, fueled up with the jerry cans, everything ready to go into the Bungles, and no go. They're locking the gate today. They've pushed everyone out of or are pushing everyone out of the park.
So Devo. But initially, when we got there, she was like, you can go in, but if you go in, one, everything's going to be closed, but also you won't be getting out till next Wednesday. That's sort of when they're going to close it to, which is 8 days away. So obviously we were like, we're not going to do that. But Scott was still super adamant. He was like, nah, we're going to go today, and we can just stay tonight. We can see and do as much as we want, because poor things, they've flown from Perth to Kununurra, and one of the main attractions of their short trip was to do the Bungles. Like, they borrowed a car and sorted everything out, and now they can't do it. And obviously he really wanted to check it out, and so did we. But no deal, because then she called another ranger who was there to confirm, and they're actually closing the road today and getting everyone out. So yeah, we had seen as well on Instagram, message Cam and Georgia, that they had gotten all the way to the end, to the where the road is, and found out that it was closed. So 3-4 hours or whatever it is to drive in.
Yeah.
So not stoked that we got to do and had to turn around, but at least we didn't get right to the end.
Yeah, and we had a coffee and a beef pie to sort of figure stuff out a bit. We're going to try and meet those guys, Scott and Cara, that is, back at Lake Argyle later in the week, and change a few of our bookings and whatnot. But we're going to shoot back now to Emma Gorge. It's just about to go 2 o'clock. We're still, I would say, maybe an hour away.
An hour, yeah.
We're going to rush in, try and do Emma Gorge in case that gets closed off or becomes unsafe with the weather.
There's been no bad weather yet, so at least today's probably our only opportunity to do it, and we were holding off on it because we really wanted to do it. We didn't want to have it be closed or whatever, so yeah, good times. Hopefully we can go do Emma Gorge, and then that's sort of us done with the Gibb, and sadly the Bungles area can't do, but it then also means that we get more days in the Northern Territory, which is nice, as long as we can move our Kununurra booking forwards. Yeah,
it's an excuse for us, unfortunately, to have to come back next year and do.
Shame.
I've wanted to do Wolf Creek and things like that, and I'm gonna spend a year building Shay up to saying yes. So yeah, we'll go hopefully next year and do all of that. But we'll go and maybe tick off a few others like Ivanhoe Crossing and whatever else around Kununurra while we're here, now that we've got maybe a few hours to spare, a few days. So
sad vibes.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It's just,
we vibe.
Yeah. In the next video, we rush to Lake Argyle Resort before the heavy rains hit. We check out the famous infinity pool, take a boat tour to see and swim with the thousands of freshies around the lake, then explore whatever else we can while the weather is good, making the most of the time we have left in the Kimberley.